Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you're all well and I hope you're alright. If you want to see how I created all three of those looks, why my hands look like this, why my face is so stained, then please keep on watching. Grab yourself some snacks, grab a drink, sit down, get comfy, because I feel like it might be a journey. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, maybe even share. It is literally free to subscribe. All you have to do is click the little button. If you don't have an account, you just have to put an email address in. And it means a lot to me. Thank you all so much and I hope you enjoy. We're back! So I've actually been so poorly, like I had to get a COVID test because I could not breathe and the doctor said that I had to get a test. I'm still not 100% but I've got a negative test. I know it's not COVID, so I've got antibiotics and we're getting there. So let's get back to some proper videos. I just wanted to upload all them tutorials because one, I wanted to still keep posting content that was easy for me to make while I wasn't well. Two, I just wanted to get like a base of videos on my channel so that I could continue then building it up. And three, I just started challenging myself to 5 videos in 5 days and I don't know why I did that because it's killed me. So I've already Jasminified my hair to the best that I can. I've got on the jewellery that's the closest that I own, which this is meant to be gold, but we've gone with blue because she wears blue, so we'll let that go. So I'm literally just going to pop them on off camera because I'm just going to do a basic eyebrow, which you can watch in my basic eyebrow tutorial, which I will link above, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. The only thing I've done differently with these brows than we're doing my normal ones is I've tried to make it a bit more round rather than the that I have mine like, because from looking at the cartoon, I feel like she does have very round eyebrows. My face is so red. I've just been on a run, and it killed me. So she literally has the tiniest bit of brown eyeshadow in a crease. I'm going to take the Morphe 18F palette and probably just go between this one and this one. Let's go. I think that might be a little bit too pink. Let me try the 18A palette in this one. I've actually missed just sitting and chatting to my camera. How are we all doing? So the storyline that we're going for today in today's Twisted Disney Tuesday is, it's either one of two really. So either, because when we did the Elsa one, it was like if Elsa was in the real world. So it could be either Jasmine's in the real world and obviously a tiger's not really something to cohabitate with, or for the Twisted, it could just be that Rajah the tiger just decided to attack her one day. I'm literally going to take like a massive brush just to literally just fluff that over because it's nothing fancy. It's literally just to deepen the crease, just the tiniest bit. There we go. And then she wears eyeliner. Just everyone just say a quick little prayer for me please, because me and eyeliner are not the greatest pair. I'm going to take this really flat, it's quite a long brush first, just to try and get the outline just by pressing it on. I'm just going to take some black onto a tiny detail brush and just start to, yeah. Okay, now that you've watched me struggle with eyeliner for like 20 minutes, I'm going to put some mascara on, but we're not going to put any on the bottom lashes because she literally has nothing down there. She doesn't really have any eyelashes either, which is, I want to wear them. Nah, she'd wear them if she were in real world. So I'm going to pop on the KK Beauty lashes in the style Caitlin, which you can use code FIRE15 for money off at checkout, which I'll put the link down below. Okay, so now that we have eyeliner, no. Okay, so now that we have, no. Okay, so now that we have eyelashes on, we're going to do the base. I'm going to take the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Wheat. Pop that on a beauty blender and off we go. So did you all see my post about the new video schedule? What do I think? If you haven't seen it, then you can follow me on Instagram or Facebook and whatever else is all linked down below. So basically, I'm going to be trying to upload every Tuesday and Saturday. And so Tuesdays are going to obviously be the Twisted Disney Tuesdays, and then Saturdays will be either challenges or tutorials or like just fun videos. Maybe when COVID's over, get some more people on it like I did the one with my mum. It'd be fun if I could get other people on. And then yeah, if there's obviously any more tutorials you want to see me, please do let me know. If you've got any challenge ideas, then also do comment and let me know. And then for every last Thursday of the month, we'll be doing Conspiracy Theory Thursdays. I've missed a conspiracy theory video It's been a hot little minute. So at least if we have a schedule, you all know what's coming, you all know when it's coming, so you're ready for it. And then you can watch it straight away and like it. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I know I say it all the time, but please subscribe. It is free, and it does mean like literally so much to me, like you don't understand. Right, let's blend out the highlight concealer. Okay, so what I did forget with this contour palette is that a little goes a long way. Didn't think about that when I was blobbing it all over my face. Let's create some cheekbones. Has anyone seen them TikTok challenges where it's like the beginning of a song and then you've got to pause it and use your own voice and it's that stop? What the hell are you talking about? Probably about a week ago now, I watched this one guy doing it and I've just got his voice imprinted in my brain. And all I can hear in my head is, stop, what the hell are you talking about? Don't even know what accent that is, and it don't sound anything like him, but it's so stuck in my head. Stop. That's Scottish. Stop. What the hell are you talking about? About? I don't know. Right, let's try and make this nose a bit skinnier. Powder, let's have a powder party. God, I've not filmed for like a week and I've lost my head. Stop. What the hell are you talking about? Get your pretty name out of my mouth. I just sound like Borat now. Stop. God's sake. That ain't it. There we go. I think I've decided that Jasmine is going to be the one and only, probably, the one and only not highlighted princess. Let's pop on some blusher. Right, I want to put some pink lipstick on, but the pink I've got, she's got like quite pink lips, but the pink I've got's really bright. So I figure if I put on like a bit of brown first, and then the pink over the top, it might dull it a bit. This has got a very distinctive taste to it that reminds me of a bad memory. I can't think what. Could be a little bit pinker. Someone's knocking at my door, but my mum can get it for me. I know it is. I bet it's a parcel. She orders 20 million a day. No, I bet it's a mechanic fixing a car. So let's put some setting spray on. So this is the Jasmine look all finished, the first one, and I'll be right back for the second part. I'm just gonna go take some pictures. See you in 2 seconds. I can show you the world. I'm shimmering splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide a whole new world? God, I'm getting voice. All I know is I won't go speechless, speechless. So to start off, we are gonna just take off what we've done. On this side though, oh my god, look how red my skin is. That ain't it. I'm going to take this eyelash off at this side. And we're just going to wipe my hands with that baby wipe because now they're minging. This is going to be the first proper SFX thing I've done on this channel. I did that trying out the 5 minutes hacks, but let's face it, that didn't work. So let's hope it all goes well. So we're going to start off dipping a little sponge in some latex. And start off here. Oh no, I didn't. I tell a lie, I did the Twisted Disney, the Elsa one. That had a bit of SFX in it. Oh god, it stinks so much. 12 years later. Let me take the necks off because I feel like it might come off in the hustle and bustle. Maybe one earring. Yeah. Going for visual effects here, guys. I got really confused on why there was one eyelash in front of me. Idiot. I think this is just going to be my new everyday hairstyle. I'm going for a run, a school run, going to the park, going to Swimming World. This is how I'ma be. When a tiger scratches you and you get a black eye, that feels quite dry. Let's try peel. So I'm just pulling it up from the middle of the cuts and pulling upwards and outwards so that we've got the hole in the middle. I'm going to fill them in with a little bit of black. And then I'm going to pop some red over the top of that black. Do you know what I've not done? Foundation. Blow my neck. God knows how this is going to work now. He's got a zoo, I'm telling you. So I'm just going to pop that red around as well to get it bruisey. And add in a bit of like greeny blues. And some really dark browns closer to the edges. I'm going to go into some fake blood. So first we're just going to spot it around a bit. And then we're just going to pop some into the holes. I'm sure I've got something in my eye, me, that shouldn't be in there. I'm just going to take it and just squeeze a tiny bit here, just try and see and get like a little drip. Don't want to put too much on because when it goes, oh my god, it goes. Oh, there we go. Oh, I tripped on the floor, never mind. I got like a weird shaped head or something. So that is a completed scratched look, and I'll be back in 2 minutes. I'll go take some more pickies. Prince Ali, Amarasi, Ali Ababa. There's 10 regular men, definitely. Now try your best to stay calm. Brush up your thumb. It's time to go. Singer. Okay, so at this point my face is literally screaming, so I've popped up some hydrating spray and I've just started to like map out little lines that you can hardly see of where we're going to be going. I don't even know where to start. I think I might start with the mouth because that's always the part I find the hardest. I'm going to start first by drawing where I want the teeth and stuff to be with just a brown eyeshadow. I might not very try in this one, this is going to take a lot of concentration. Where's my mirror? So because it's just paint, I think I'm going to make this probably into a bit more of a time-lapse video. Because there's nothing I can tell you except I'm painting this bit now, I'm painting this bit now, I'm painting this bit now. And this video is probably already 500 years long already, so I'm just going to whiz through it and I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Okay, so I dare open my eyes because I don't want to ruin it until I've taken a picture. So if you've made it all the way through, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that lovely stuff. And I will see you on Saturday for either a challenge or a tutorial. Let me know what you want to see. Love you all lots. Goodbye. Peace out.